Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll be giving you 8 reasons why you should get the brand new Huawei P40 Pro Plus. So keep watching. Now the first reason is the fact that it has the NANO-TECH ceramic body. So instead of typically just using a glass back like most flagship phones, Huawei has encased the P40 Pro Plus in the NANO-TECH ceramic body. Now this NANO-TECH ceramic body or the technology is inspired by traditional ceramics of kilning and polishing involved to make it look very premium and extremely durable, and of course not a fingerprint magnet. And for those of you who have been following my channel, I'm sure you know that I love white-colored finished smartphones or any other tech items, #whitelove. So I did immediately fall in love even before having the phone in my hands. Now looking at the next reason would be the Ultra Vision LEICA Penta camera. Now the Huawei P40 Pro Plus comes with a Penta camera array at the back, where Penta means 5, just in case you guys do not know, where 1 is a 50 megapixel f1.9 23mm main lens and 8 megapixel f4.4 with a massive 240mm periscope telephoto lens with 10 times optical zoom and 8 megapixel f2.4 80mm telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, a 40 megapixel f1.8 18mm ultra wide angle lens, and finally a TOF 3D depth sensor. So yes, with all of this combined, you are guaranteed to have a very versatile and great smartphone camera, whether it is for its portrait mode, landscape, in bright daylight, and of course one of its strongest features during low light situations. And so it was on the wide angle lens, zoom in 3 times or zoomed in 10 times optically. As for the third reason would be the 100 times super zoom and the audio zoom for its cameras. As you all have seen that the camera capabilities for Huawei smartphones has always been one of the biggest features of the phone, especially when I tested the P40 Pro in my comparison video which I'll link at the card above and the description below. And for the P40 Pro Plus, the 100 times zoom is certainly not just a gimmick, as it has a maximum focal length which is similar to a 240mm lens. So this lens which I'm using right now is a 24mm lens. Here's the camera, and this can go up to 240mm. So imagine that telephoto capabilities. Now as for the audio zoom, I feel that this feature is an underrated feature, as it is also available on the P40 Pro, as it allows you to zoom in at the same time to your audio source to the direction of the camera which is zoomed into, and the sound is captured through the 3 microphones located at the top, at the back of the camera, and also down below, where all of these microphones are able to gauge the difference of the intensity of the sound coming in and reduce the noise coming from the objects of the subject outside of the focus, which was truly amazing. And here is a quick sound test example. As for the fourth reason would be its AI features of the camera. Now as I mentioned in my P40 Pro review, the Huawei's powerful artificial intelligence technology, also known as the golden snap, has been coming clutch for many great situations. Now some of the amazing golden snap features are the AI best moment, the AI remove passerby, and the AI remove reflection. So for example, if you guys are taking photo of someone doing jump shots or even dancing, the AI best moment uses the AI algorithm to identify the best shots and it recommends it to you. So before taking a picture, just enable motion picture of the bottom left of the viewfinder and take a shot, and then edit your image in the gallery, then select the best shot from the recommended pics. So how many times have you been trying to take the best picture, an amazing moment or amazing shot, only to be photobombed by either a person or even a reflection? Well, with the AI remove passerby, photo bombers are a thing of the past, where similar to its AI best moment, the P40 Pro Plus uses the AI algorithm to compare and align the frames before and after the virtual shutter is closed, which offers you the moment before that you were photobombed. Then finally, the AI remove reflection gives you a cleaner image when taking a shot to remove unwanted reflections in the phone. Next would be the fact that the P40 Pro Plus is the world's first commercialized 40 watts dual charging, both for wired and wireless as well. So the P40 Pro Plus can charge from 0 to 70% just in half an hour, and yes, this 40 watts supercharger is also available in the box and is also available wirelessly as well, where you need to use Huawei's supercharged wireless charger, which I can't wait to test out once I get my hands on, because I saw some reviewers online which shows how really fast that it charges, and I also love how the wireless charger looks, as it also has a built-in fan to ensure a cooling of the phone as well. Now looking at the following reason would be the amazing KIRIN 990 5G SoC. So what powers all these incredible features of the Huawei P40 Pro Plus is of course the top-of-the-line KIRIN 990 5G chipset, which is manufactured with the industry-leading 7nm plus EUV process. Now this KIRIN 990 5G chipset has an integrated 5G modem, which enables the P40 Pro Plus to support both non-standalone and standalone 5G networking modes. Now what this means is that wherever you are in the world, as long as there is a 5G available, you can connect it without any issues. Now some may ask, but Malaysia doesn't have 5G yet, so why do I need a 5G phone right now? Well, don't you want a flagship phone which has a technology of the future? Because with this phone, you don't have to buy a brand new 5G phone when 5G is officially available here in Malaysia, because the Huawei P40 series is actually 5G enabled, so yes, that is forward thinking. And as you guys have seen my video before, my first 5G device is of course the Huawei Mate 30 Pro 5G, and right now the P40 Pro Plus is currently my new 5G smartphone. As for the second last reason would be the Huawei Share and the multi-screen collaboration. Now I'm sure you guys have probably heard of Huawei Share, but if you guys haven't, it is an amazing feature that allows you to connect the P40 Pro Plus to other P40 series and even the Mate 30 Pro 5G with other devices like the Huawei MateBook and even the latest release launch of the MatePad Pro 5G as well, to have a seamless connectivity on both devices to transfer photos, videos, documents between the devices through the super easy to use one-tap share. And the multi-screen collaboration makes it easier to share the P40 Pro Plus home screen on the MatePad Pro 5G, where you can easily drag and drop images, text, and files accordingly. And finally, of course, is the new improved Huawei App Gallery, which is more secure, has more storage and more rewards as well. Now if you guys missed my latest video on the Huawei Nova 7 SE, I will link at the card above and the description as well if you guys haven't seen it, where in that video I did a demo and showed that the Huawei App Gallery now contains most of the frequently used apps, especially for those of you who are here in Malaysia, such as Facebook, WhatsApp, WeChat, TikTok, Shopee and many more. And on top of that, the App Gallery is also safe, as it has 4 layers of protection and it has been certified by the highest industry standards. Moreover, the P40 series and the MatePad Pro users can redeem rewards for the Huawei Member Center and also get 50 gigs of Huawei Cloud Storage for 12 months and 3 months premium access to Huawei Video. Now in case you guys do not know that Huawei users can also install an app called Petal Search, where users can also easily find apps that is not available on the Huawei App Gallery and install it directly to the phone. So yes, that's my 8 main reasons why you should get the Huawei P40 Pro Plus. And just so you guys know that the Huawei App Gallery Carnival is back from June 19 until the June 30th, where if you're in for some super deals and stand a chance to win some lucky draw prizes up to 2 million ringgit, check out the link down below for more information. So looking at the phone's price here in Malaysia, the P40 Pro Plus is retailing at 4,999 ringgit and the latest MatePad Pro 5G retails for 3,299 ringgit. So to me, in my personal opinion, I think that these two devices gives the best 5G experience, and it will be made available nationwide starting from the 26th of June. And if you guys are planning to buy the brand new P40 Pro Plus right now, you will actually get the free 40 watts wireless charging stand, 3 months Huawei VIP access, 50 gigs of Huawei cloud storage, which all worth more than 1,300 ringgit. And of course, if you guys are planning to buy the MatePad Pro 5G right now, you'll also get 3 months of Huawei VIP access and 50 gigs of Huawei cloud storage. That's a lot of stuff. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. And if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you guys haven't done so. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.